Won't you allow me to go for a tour peacefully? Bloody fools!
If I tell you what the doctors couldn't do, the city roads did, you might not believe me. Or it could be just an imagination of an artistic mind. But that is not so. This is a real story. That you should believe. Only if you believe this, will you believe my story. Believe. Isn't that everything?
You'd have killed me by this time.
Uncle, somebody is planning to commit suicide. The way he looks, I think he is a drug addict.
Looks like this guy is not from this place. Why the hell such people come to a place and spoil our name? Aha.
Within these 2.5 kilometers, we should never allow anybody to die. Let them go and die anywhere else.
Uncle,
Yeah.
let us stand in the track itself.
Yeah.
Then he will not come inside.
That's right. What?
What do you want?
Your life is...
Hey,
Don't
hey,
move
hey,
from
don't
there.
leave me.
We
Leave
will
me
not allow
alone.
you to die for
What are
us.
you doing? Hey,
I will
what are
catch
you
his
doing?
leg.
Come on. Not there. Not there. No, no.
Come,
Don't leave him. Good. Don't let him go.
Hey, leave me. Hey. Hey.
Don't make fuss, man.
Hey, the train is coming. Leave me.
Train is coming.
Train will leave now, please. Let the train go. Hey, what are you people doing? Leave. Oh, leave. Hey. Oh, this. No.
Just come back.
Just leave me alone.
Hey man, are you trying to kill yourself? I'll give you a punch.
Don't do that.
No, Uncle. We must kill such people who try to kill themselves.
Are you people mad or what? Who do you think is gonna die here?
Then why did you do all the circus here?
Yes.
Oh, my dear brothers, I didn't come here to die. I came for an interview. All my certificates are in that bag.
But how did you do that? Dude, take a look at this.
Huh?
At last we got a leader for the fools.
Yeah.
Read all the comments, bro. Maybe you will get some shy feeling.
Don't go and tell this to anyone.
Just read this comment. This is the best. Read it. Look at this.
This is the main problem. No one believes anything. But one person believes. That's my dad. My beloved dad.
What's in the vehicle?
That's all manual, sir.
Okay. Bills?
No bill.
What?
I have no bill.
No bills. Are you stealing from somewhere?
Will anybody steal cow tongue, sir? What, sir?
What's that?
Should I be here or shall I go?
Huh? You have to wait. Even your papers are not right. Whatever is required is not there. Whatever is not required is there. Need to have some responsibility. How is that? Should have some interest in job.
Oh, so even you don't believe?
Huh? You get out of my sight.
Thank you, sir.
Hello?
Huh?
Where are you going?
You only told me to go.
Not you. If you request the gatekeeper, will he not take the bag for you?
Which bag?
Dad, I fell on his feet and requested. I told him I have an interview, my certificates are in this bag. Somewhere in between I used a curse word also. That's the only reason that idiot didn't give me that bag. That stupid idiot. These things I didn't say then. I'm saying it only now.
Do you know how many people I requested to get this job for you? Almost it is confirmed, but you have lost it.
Let me tell you the truth, Dad. It's good that I didn't get that job. How much did they say the salary was? 12,000 rupees. If I have to reach that godforsaken place, shouldn't I put petrol for at least 200 rupees? So that itself makes 6,000 rupees per month. And every day I have to take food from some hotel. Even if I adjust with some burger, I have to spend minimum 250 rupees. Then new dress every month. Then shoes and face wash. How much ever I calculate, some 25,000 rupees will be needed. To work for someone else, my dad will have to give 13,000 rupees.
Sir, what your son has said is fact.
Oh, is that?
Huh?
Then pay 1,500 rupees as fine and go.
Give.
You see, what your dad has said is correct.
Do you know what is the salary I was getting in the beginning?
50,000!
What?
I hit the 50,000 mark, Daddy.
When we discuss something serious and your mobile, you play with that always. As if everything you will get in your lifetime. You know, after 2 years, I'll get retired. Then we'll see the game.
Let me get a good job for my standard, Dad. We'll see then.
What's the problem with Merchant Navy?
I lose my breath if I stand under the shower. And you're talking about sea.
Then what happened to that Gulf job?
Yeah. I have to work under that 50-degree hot sun. If I work in that hot sun, I won't be able to make a child, you know. Why can't you keep it in front of me, Dad?
If you want, take it and drink.
Oh, shit.
Let me see how long you'll play and sit idle.
With your brains, you can make money sitting idle also. A business. That is my aim.
Business? Don't talk about business to me. For power project, to start a windmill, you've taken 1 lakh from my PF loan and what happened? Tell me.
It's only 1 lakh, no, Dad.
Was it?
If I had got the tender, we would have got 1 crore. 1 crore, you know. But how is that? You need luck for that. And then an office with AC. And a minimum of 3 computers. And good quality furnitures and staff. Overall, it should have a rich look. And all I have to do is make some correction and put some signatures. That'll be a good income.
What business you're talking about? Huh?
That you have to find and tell me, you know. Before you retire, try for some good idea, Dad. Papa!
You fool! Are you not ashamed of sucking others' blood and living all these days? You like useless idiots, not worth to live in this earth anymore. Go somewhere and die, you. Get lost from us.
What are you doing, Dad?
Get out! I don't want a son like this.
Hey, Papa!
Get out from here.
Papa! Papa has never scolded me like this. Never insulted me like this.
Here. Go somewhere else. Don't ever come in front of me. Get out.
Papa! He said I'm good for nothing. He asked me to go and die. I'll show him. Hello, reception. Can you connect me to the nearby hospital, please? Hello, this is hospital, no? Isn't your casualty working there? An ambulance? And driver? I would have died now. Oh, I don't need so much.
If you need anything, please call me.
Nothing.
Want any side dish?
I told you nothing.
Okay, I take leave. Hope it is not any drugs.
Listen,
What?
just a minute.
Any issue, sir?
There are people below, no?
For what?
If you have to take someone to the hospital and all.
Who is the person?
No, nothing. Nothing.
Oh, hope he's not mad.
Who's that? Yeah, coming.
Yeah. There is one person waiting for you outside. Hope this is the same person that you are wanting to meet, right?
Yes. You can go, sir.
Okay, sir.
Jomon, sir, what are you doing in this lodge? I hope you're alone in this room, Jomon. I don't think so. When I saw your motorbike outside, I had a small doubt, you know. What is the reason behind taking a room here?
Just like that.
Yeah, I know the reason behind this.
No, just that.
You're celebrating since you're becoming a rich person. And that too alone. You wicked thief. Switching off your mobile and sitting here alone. You think I don't know that? Stupid fellow. You should have at least had the manners to call Rosie and thank her. This is very bad. She tried you several times and finally she called me.
No, actually, a phone has a complaint. And I don't get what you're saying. Who's this rich person?
So you did not know anything? Hey, the tender which we had applied. The windmill machine.
Huh?
You have got it, my dear friend.
What? Is it true?
Yeah. The moment we got the news, I and Rose were trying to call you on the phone. You were not reachable. Her recommendation was very strong and you know that. That Chadman, you know that he does not oblige very soon. We are going to become rich businessmen. Rich people. What happened?
Yay! Not us, only me. Give me the phone. First, I want to call Rose and thank her for all this.
You will become a rich man. But I have also struggled in this. You should remember. It's too hot today. Hot stuff? Oh. When did he start this habit? Low quality drink. Anyway, I'm getting it free of cost, so let me have. I'm happy.
Lot of thanks, Rose. No, I'll come there. Yeah, I'll meet. It's our time from now on, no? Some people think I am good for nothing. I'll show them how I'm going to make money.
Careful.
Slowly, take it.
Hold it there.
Come down. Okay.
Careful. Slow.
Take it.
Wait.
Please.
No, this
More side,
no,
more side.
turn. No, this way.
Give him a way, man.
Carry him.
Oh my God,
Slowly,
what happened? The person who tried to commit suicide is an accused in a murder case now. Oh my God, what will happen now?
We shall show the society who the police is. Even if a person in our group dies, we will not be bothered. But if somebody in front of us tries,
I cannot tolerate that. So just remember that.
What a scene.
Get lost,
May I come in,
man.
sir?
Oops. Oh my
You are
God. Let me escape. Yes, come in. Shit. Spoiled my complete mood.
Sir,
Oh, what is this, Pradeep? Didn't I tell you not to disturb me for some time?
sir, Locos.
I don't want any glucose now.
Not Glucose, sir. Lucos.
What?
Our neighboring police station ASI.
Oh, that fellow's father.
Yes, sir.
Huh.
He wants to talk to us something very urgent.
What does
sir.
he want to talk? Huh? Renting a room in a lodge and inviting his own friend, putting poison in the drink, and has taken revenge? Why should I talk to such a fellow's father? You tell me. Huh? Do you want me to spare him? Or should I put the blame on someone else and save your son? Tell me. What should I do? Come on, tell me.
Sir, not me. Mr. Lucas wants to talk to you, sir.
What? Oh, sorry. You know one thing? I cannot tolerate injustice. My city, clean city. Okay?
Lucas, be careful. He's slightly angry. Go.
Yeah.
It has been 23 days up since I've taken charge here. In just 23 days, you must have read it in the newspapers. The crime that happened in the cities have been reduced a lot. I think you're not reading newspaper.
Yes, sir. I know, sir.
In this department, you'll find lot of tigers. But there is only one cheetah. Me, Prithviraj.
Not cheetah, sir. Lion, sir. That's what people say.
You don't have to promote me. Even if you try to convince me, you can't save your son at all. That's for sure.
That's sir.
No explanations. We have a strong evidence that by all means your son is the criminal.
Sir, my son is innocent.
That's up to the court to decide. A rule for the society, a rule for the police. I don't have any differentiations about it. My city is a clean city.
Sir, I'm working in this department for the past 32 years very loyally. I never had black market till now. If you want, you can check my job record. As I'm very sure my son is innocent in this case, I come in front of you, sir. More than other people, I thought you can understand it very well, sir.
Maybe your thoughts are right. There'll be only few people to fight against justice, just like me in the department. Now you tell.
Sir, there is a person who knows this very well has come here, sir.
Please hold me. Actually speaking, he did not try to kill me, sir. To commit suicide, he mixed poison with the drink, and I drank it without knowing, sir. Poor boy. Since it was me, he could escape, sir.
Sorry, Papa was very upset with you. Son, Papa's living just for you alone in this world. For your desire and wants, Papa never been against anything. Then, why are you like this?
Sorry, Papa.
Forget about what has happened. Ensure that such things doesn't happen again. Even after your mother's death, your father has been taking care of everything without even getting married. Do you know? 4 times meal, cleaning and washing. It's not so easy at all. He has sacrificed his life for you while others are getting married twice or thrice. Your father loves you so much.
I made a mistake, sir.
That's nice. Alright, So what are you doing?
For his job.
Not a job.
Then
Business.
What? What business?
The new tender for installing the windmill for KCDA is mine.
Oh,
I want to install that as soon as possible.
that's nice. My best wishes. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
For any help, don't hesitate to call me.
Sure, sir.
Okay.
Now all the problems were over. I had survived all the issues in my life. On to the new life that windmill is going to bring.
What kind of a makeup it is? Huh? Why are you spoiling your face? If the boy sees this face, he will run away, you know?
He should run. That is why I'm doing this special makeup.
Don't create a scene, Sally. Remove this and put on a good makeup.
Just get lost. I beg my parents, I don't want to get married. My father is impressed because that guy is very rich.
It's a good thing to be rich.
Having money is a good thing. But if he is aged, I cannot accept that.
Is he an aged man?
I guessed it from the way my father was talking about him. To confirm that, I asked for a photograph of that guy. But till now, nobody has given that to me. What does it mean? Yes, you wait and see. By the first sight itself, I will make him to run away.
Hey, see, Sally, this item is different.
Oh God! Now what can I do, Shabna?
You liked him, isn't it?
Good morning.
Hello. Huh?
Tell him.
Are you alone?
Yes, we both came together. That too alone.
I thought you will have lot of friends and relatives to.
I don't give a hoot about other people's expectations. Make it fast. I have to go to a few more places.
When he said he has to go somewhere, it is not for seeing girls. He's a very busy man. Business.
Okay. Let's sit inside, son.
Actually, he's an old drama artist, you know.
So what? I'm not going to start a new troupe. No sugar at all.
I'll bring it.
Not strong at all.
You want a fresh tea?
Then you go and make, man.
No, I don't know.
I have to rush and go elsewhere. Where is your room? Didn't you hear my question? Where is your room? Come. I need some privacy. That's why.
What is this, man?
This is a new generation. New trend.
What did you say your name is?
Salome. They call me Sally.
Both sound stupid, Sally and Salome. It sounds like a black and white movie. Huh? Salome. Okay, leave it. What are you studying, you said?
MBA.
MBA. There are more MBA guys than beggars here. No future. Do you go to the beauty parlor?
I do.
The girls these days, they have a feeling. After shaving their eyebrows, putting a lot of lipstick on their face, doing a facial every week and getting into a leggings, you will look like an actress. When are you going to find a dress and makeup that suits you? Tell me. Huh? When? Huh?
Hey, mister. Did you come here to see me or?
Actually, I'm thinking of getting the diesel charge from your dad for coming here. You know that? He should not do this drama in front of any other person in his life again. What a look is this? Huh? Who do you think will come and marry you? Someone should feel something, no? You will stay here without getting married all your life. I'm sure about that.
What happened, baby?
Hello?
Huh?
Don't invite an insult.
What?
Something should be there, no?
What? Oh my god. What is this?
No! You should not have done anything. Nothing.
Why are you laughing like this? Have you gone mad or what?
If you want to see like this, there are a lot of girls. See the list.
You're gonna get me married, is it? Today I made a mistake, but now on I should not see you in front of my house.
You had given the ad in the paper.
I'll do what I like. Why should you respond? Hello? Yeah, I'm driving now. I need to purchase something, so I'm going to the mall nearby. Are you coming with me or getting down here?
Yeah, I will also come with you. I can get down next to my house.
Did you see him? Look at the way he looks at us. Yes. Come on, let's go to that shop. Sometimes they will have good collections there. If it is good, we can take it from there. Oh, you go ahead. I'll come back.
Okay.
Joe!
Please hold this. I'll just come now.
Joe!
He's sitting here? For what purpose is he sitting here? What happened, sir? Now I understood.
What did you understand?
You have gone to see this girl also, am I right? Now where is he going? He came this way, and where did he go now?
sir.
Sorry, I didn't expect this. I was about to fall down. Give me the package. This building looks the same everywhere. Where can I go now?
Why are you gasping?
I wanted to escape from that girl's eyesight. I found it very difficult.
But does she know you? Then what is the problem?
It's not that. If that girl asks something about you, sir, I may have to tell a lie. So I just ran away.
Keep those bags in the car.
If this is the case, then I would have got down in between itself. I'm feeling very tired. Wherever I go, this is my situation. Now I got the reason why you have not still married. When you're ready to eat a shark, then why do you mind small fishes? Am I right?
Stop it! Talking nonsense? Who do you think she is?
Who is she?
Our relationship is a very long story. A long story.
Tell me, sir. Let me listen. Tell me. Huh? Sir? 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 Please don't leave me. Sir!
What happened to your task?
Not bad. Everything is clear.
When you go for something, why don't you at least make it so fast?
But I just went in, no?
Not that work.
Oh. But for that, I didn't go by flight. I went by car. Not an ordinary car. A big car. 3 hours I was stuck in traffic. Do you know how it is to feel like shitting in the traffic?
You need not to explain all that. Tell me about the other thing. Mummy is going on calling me.
If Jomon takes up a job, he will do it very neatly.
You just stop about the neatness, huh? Tell me what really happened.
A very beautiful girl. See? The truth.
Huh?
Who could that be?
Who knows?
Go see.
Go and see.
Or else, I will go and see.
Huh?
What to
do?
Is any electricity passed on our door? No?
Listen, I am not here.
Huh? I am not here.
But I am here only now.
That's what.
I don't know what he did after going there.
Good morning. Good evening.
Joe?
Just move. Joe is not here.
Yeah.
Did I ask you?
Even if you ask, he's not here.
Yeah, correct.
Hey, Joe.
Why she is going inside?
Hey, don't touch.
You come here.
Hey.
Hi, lovely wall.
You're playing games with me or what?
I was just playing games with you.
You don't take my call, nor return my call. How many times I messaged you? Why don't you reply? Don't think you can fool me, okay? The moment you saw me, you skipped from the mall. So I thought I should take a solution today itself.
Mall? Which mall?
Huh. So you bought this from mall?
Is it right?
That mall is not this mall.
Then this.
This mall.
Enough, stop. I'm not going to leave you like this. Come, let's go home.
What now?
Yes, I'm not going to leave you like this. Come. Come, I said. Come.
Shoo.
Hey, Joe, don't go. Shit. I should not have lied to her. Very bad. Poor thing. What should I have thought?
Hi. You don't care that she has taken the young boy from here. You're just thinking about you, what she had of the art.
Actually, I'm thinking why she take him with her.
Understood. My God, what to do? Huh? This month is dangerous. Must not leave him.
Wow, my mother. Hey, where they go? Hi. It's not working, huh?
Even this is not working. Move.
Bro, don't leave him, okay?
Hey, don't let him go. You should not let him go.
Somebody pressed it.
I think some ambulance is passing this way. Bro!
Bro!
Mother, who kept this thing here?
Fire! Fire! Fire alarm!
Why all are running? Fire!
Are you tired? Then I will take care of it.
Hey, stop! What's in your hand?
Who knows? I got it from somewhere.
You and your gas!
Hey, somebody is smoking here.
Oh my God!
Bro, where did he go? What is this?
What happened?
Why is no more leaving from here? Hey, stop.
Why are you running?
Hold your child! I can't be tensed up in the midst of all these things, Joe. I want you to talk to my dad and take a decision, okay?
It's not that I don't want it. I have some issues right now.
What issues? Laziness is your biggest issue.
Papa? Hello, Papa.
Son, where are you?
It's just an emergency. I'm going to my friend's place.
There is no emergency. Come to the ACP office as soon as possible.
ACP office? Why, Papa? Don't make me say the whole story. You have to reach there in 10 minutes. I'll be there. There is some problem. Papa is acting violent. I have to go to the ACP office.
So you've escaped today also.
Please, Rose. Let me go and see why he called me there.
Joe, I want you to solve this problem today itself.
Yeah, sure. Rose, please, leave me. I told you I'll come back. Huh?
What salt?
I didn't remove the pill. Okay, bye. Bye.
You decided to get spoiled.
What is it, Papa?
For the past 32 years, I never went down to anyone. But now I did that also.
Tell me the matter, Papa.
Problem?
Hey, stop! Hey, I told you, no, that I will talk to him and solve it. Let me hear what he has got to say. My dear son, come with me. Come. Youngsters like you can do some sort of mischief, but that should not be by hurting or insulting anyone. Do you remember them?
No.
You don't know them at all?
Since you're asking, I feel like I've seen them somewhere, but I'm not sure.
You're not sure about anything, no, my dear son. Please give me the mobile. When you had gone to see an alliance, a friend of hers has captured this in the mobile. Instead of someone acting like him, you went to see that girl. It's a cheating case, section 490. Not only that, mentally and physically you have tortured her.
Physically?
Torturing a girl. Section 375. That's the complaint. If I had to file this case, for 12 years you will be in the jail.
Hey girl, when did I physically molest you?
What?
Did you hear that? First he said he doesn't know me. Now he's asking when he has molested me.
I'm innocent, sir. The only relationship I have is the phone number in the newspaper. You can put this man in the jail. And please leave me alone.
Sir, I did not do this on purpose. I went there to help a friend. Is helping wrong, sir?
You see, Joe, even if I tell I don't like that girl, Mummy will force me to marry that girl.
Oh, then what shall we
She
do?
and her family should tell they don't like me. You can help me in that. You're my dear, no? Please help me, man.
Poor man, so sad.
No, I'm not that cheap. I can't do this.
Look, Joe, you have not seen the real me. Be careful.
What'll you do?
You explain to him.
He will cry and later he will lay down on a beat. And
Hey, stop it. Joe, we are supposed to walk up and down on the same bridge. Otherwise, you will have to suffer.
Now you do that, or it'll not be good.
It's not a mistake. Sacrifice, that's all.
You don't try to support him, sir. Arrest him and put him in the jail.
Now you're just talking like an opposite party leader. Very bad. At least can't you be a little more...
He came to my house and tried to harass me. Now you're supporting this criminal?
No. I will not tolerate any criminals in my city. Even if someone doesn't wear a seatbelt in the city, I will not spare them.
Then why are you not taking my complaint?
Your father has also have the same opinion?
That is...
Daddy,
Yeah.
Oh.
See here, please understand my position. I can't say no to Franklin. That's why I am in this trouble. Else, just think about it. A girl who is so beautiful like you, will anyone misbehave with you?
Yes.
There is nothing wrong with you. Huh? Even Miss World won't look as beautiful as you.
What?
If you praise me like this, do you think I will withdraw the complaint which I have given about you now?
I am not simply praising you. Whatever I said came from my heart. Promise.
Is it so?
Yeah.
Then my name, my beauty, my education, is that fine now, is it?
Yeah, why doubt?
Then you can marry me.
What?
If you feel what you told is true, in that case you marry me.
Dear, are you serious?
We need to teach him a lesson.
That's right.
Loco?
Listen, you have to understand my situation. If you listen to all the problems that I am in, not just you, no one will come and get married to me. Why I came to your house for an alliance was just another page in the story.
Huh?
A horror presented to me by a windmill.
Again stories.
Just for a whim, I had planned to commit suicide. But what brought me back to life was the tender for this windmill. My friends who used to make fun of me every day. My father who used to cry about my uselessness. This was a chance to show what I could do with my life. Whichever way you calculate, at least 1 to 1.5 crores is guaranteed. Exactly like a lottery ticket.
Me?
Okay.
Okay. You reached? I was just waiting for you to have my milk, so thank you.
Why, sir?
I heard that you got the tender. You like to have some milk?
No, sir.
So you're just like her. Very good. If we start serving milk to all, opposition may lose its wealth. Do you have any problem with your eyes?
No.
Then kindly remove the glass so that I can see your face and talk.
Are you a fool?
The reason you got the tender, it's not because my daughter gave me pressure. The committee was completely satisfied with your coat.
Thank you, sir.
Give that thank to her. She was the one who recommended. One more thing. The idea may be yours, but there are certain rules and regulations which has to be followed, and that is mentioned in this file.
Sure, sir.
There was a heavy competition between big companies in and around this area, and all of them had given a very good quote for this tender. But it has to be given to you, Jomon. So I have included some additional inputs in this, and I am giving it to you now, Jomon.
Thank you, sir.
Nothing to worry. The most important condition in this is the contractor will not be paid any advance before. The moment windmill is installed, complete payment will be allotted immediately. Sure. The moment I see a person, I will know his financial background. I know that you have sufficient fund. Rose had told me. The moment I heard, I became very happy. This is my prestigious project. If I succeed in this area will be fully surrounded by our windmill machines. It's my dream. Big windmill park. My big dream. It will be completely installed by you, Jomon. Okay? Now please put your signature.
A party in Mumbai who had installed a windmill there had guaranteed that he would transfer the same, and that is how we took the tender for this windmill. But we were supposed to give 1 crore to the agent. This investment was our biggest problem.
We'll go.
Bro! Hey, he's there, huh?
Hey, bro!
Hey, bro!
Bro!
Come here! Come here! Come! Where are they? Oh, here! Come!
Okay. Oh, what type of dress is this, bro?
They must be having half the money. They must be coming from a poor family. You come.
No, I want to come.
Why?
Sometimes more poor girl can come here.
Hey, this is nothing. We are going to see much more things. We will have fun here. Come on, don't waste time.
These are the three idiots who
Spiders.
wanted to establish themselves, for which they were ready to do any kind of foolish things. At last they have become the victims.
Wow, this is wonderful.
If it is for photo, I have much better photo in my house.
Really?
When my mother saw that photo, she told me, I look exactly like a
That's
hero.
a right one.
You've not shown anybody?
You mean photo?
No, your mother's eyes.
What?
No, I was talking about her eyes.
Oh.
Then what about my photo, huh? My mom also doesn't know who I look like, huh?
Nobody can find it out.
That's right. Huh?
Your mothers have big brains.
Not that much.
What that photos, yeah?
Yeah.
This is actually for the business magazine, you know.
Oh.
We have actually started the business. After some time, when I request you for a photo, you people may shout at me.
That's correct.
That's our style.
That's why I'm taking it now.
Yes, yes.
Okay, do he have any money to invest, huh?
One of his distant relative is at US. He's a big shot. He's got a very peculiar vehicle. It can be used both in the sea and in the road, you know.
Why is it so? Is there a frog's engine fitted inside, huh?
Hey.
Hey man, our father had a very big Arakanat business. He was very famous in our place for that business. He earned crores and crores of money.
Crores.
One day he left without any intimation. See, his sitting post,
I love you, daddy.
all his property is in our custody.
So sad.
Putting all the burden on us, he's smiling. Now we are the heirs, but the full control is on our mother's hands. If mom is okay, we are triple okay. What? Hey, what is that? Is he flying the flight?
Hey, are you sitting here and playing video games? Come there.
Oh, sorry.
In the future, the world is going to know about your partner.
Dear friends, actually our business is
Is this African language?
Hey, stop. Whatever is the matter, you can tell us properly. How much we have to spend, how much we'll be getting back.
Yeah, tell us.
That is, in a business that needs crores of investment, you are investing 1 crore rupees. 25 lakhs is your first time profit. I mean, when you give me 1 crore rupees, I will give you back 1.25 crores. Got it? Again, when you give me 1 crore rupees, I will give you back 1.25 crores. Again, when you give me 1 crore rupees.
Again, we will be getting 1.25 crores.
Yeah, exactly. So, by the time I install 10 windmills, your profit will be 2.5 crores. And your investment will only be 1 crore rupees. And like that, I'll be
Excuse me. When it reach 100, you stop, huh? We can't carry them, huh?
Look, Mr. Worky, this is my dream project. If you want, you can choose this project. Or else, if you can't take so much profit, you can forget it.
Hey, no. We have no objection in taking profit, you know.
Yeah.
How to convince
Hey,
mom?
bro. If it is a profitable business, Mama will say yes.
Is it?
Bro, you can earn very good money. You may become a billionaire with this investment in the future. Real money.
Worky,
What?
can we shake hands with him?
Of course. Why not?
Okay.
Huh? Am I dreaming? Wait, who is that girl?
Chairman's daughter.
I don't bother about that. How do you know her?
She is my friend.
Congratulations. If you have any more friends like this, please consider me.
We should have been there, right?
How long will it take
Just
now?
go a little. Did you like it?
What?
Windmill.
For the inauguration of this project,
Didn't I tell
kindly
you?
invite
She will
the
like-
chairman. So, sir, please come to the stage. Give a great applause to him.
My dear friends, we have created history in our area. You can see that. But it is happening now. I have only one thing to tell you. As long as I am the chairman of this area, the development will not be stopped at all. Development. We have met certain circumstances. Circumstances have met us also.
He's crazy.
You should remember one thing. Even if I had lot of challenges from the opposition parties, I have come out from all that and have created history. I have written this history myself. I have to appreciate Jomon. He is our contractor.
Cash is
This
mine.
man was very fast in his work than we expected. He received this contract only because of that. I'm not wasting much of your time with my words. Let's go to the inauguration ceremony. Where is the scissors? It's not scissors, it is switch. Switch doesn't cut. You just on the switch, it will open itself. Oh, new inventions. Where is the switch?
There it is there.
There it is.
Shouldn't get shocked.
Is this the one? I am proud of this moment. I avoided all the big companies. I gave you this contract. Some people are jealous for that. Now they will keep their mouth shut. You can come to office on Monday. Your check will be ready. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
You happy now?
Hey, mister. Are you the contractor for this?
Yes, it's me.
Please come here.
Why?
Just congratulate.
Go.
Okay.
You have fixed it in a place where a special type of birds are migrating. Their migrating season is going to start. If anything happens to them because of this bloody thing,
Hello?
What? Oh my god.
Hey, you, come with me. Come with me.
Now the news in detail. The propeller fell down around 7 o'clock in the night. Since it has fallen in a lake, big tragedy has been avoided. According to the eyewitness, the propeller has fell down due to the heavy breeze. Anyway, the police officers has already
told
reached the
each time
site
the
and
wind
the
blows, we will
investigation
get
is
money.
going on. We'll
But
come
now,
back to you
when
with
the
more
wind
information.
blew, our money also blew.
We have one more good business idea. Can we discuss about that?
Because
if
of
I
their
beat you,
negligence.
your tears will
And
come out from that.
inquiry is
Can you
going
make
on.
an
We
electricity?
have not received
I think
any
so.
details
Shall we
regarding
try
this.
that?
Hey,
There was
don't
no
try to
casualties
play
at
with
all.
us again.
The
Remember
counselor
it.
is investigating the whole
We will
issues.
kill you and take that
Counselor is
photograph
yet
and
to
stick
give
it
more
on the wall.
details on
Do you want to
this.
see that?
Hey.
The project was
Right.
implemented
You
by one
also
Mr.
should hear
Jomon.
this.
Overall cost
If
for
we
the
have
project was
given
more
the
than 1
money,
crore.
we
With
know
this, the
how
news
to
comes to an
get
end.
back it, huh?
Hey, someone take a big chicken piece and put in his mouth. That's better. Let him suffocate and die.
Sir, do you have anything to talk about this,
the
sir?
fall of the windmill?
Sir, please, sir.
We heard that the contract was given
Was
to your
there any
daughter's
bribe involved
friend.
in
Is
this
it
case,
correct?
sir?
Please
Please
tell,
tell,
sir.
Please, don't involve my family in this matter. It's my request. As of now, I don't have anything else to say except if there is any technical problem in the windmill, we will definitely inquire about it and we will do the needful also.
Sir, all over India, the same company that installed windmills has installed here also.
Stop it! You thought I'm a fool? That was not the company we had a contract. It was this.
Not that, sir. Without funds, they won't come.
You mean fund for a disastrous project? And that too to a person like you who can't be believed at all? That's fine. I don't know what you're going to do. The windmill work should be completed. If you don't save me and my group from this case, you will have to face the consequences. I'm warning you.
On one side, Chairman Henry, sir. On the other side, Franklin and his brothers. The slavery that I am doing for these people is just the interest. And as part of returning that interest, I had to come to your house also.
Oh my god, poor fellow. Luco?
Yeah.
All these things happen. Then why you did not tell me?
The fall of that windmill has this many stories. Just now I know that, sir.
Sir, I will not believe his cooked up stories. Please accept my complaint.
Sir, that is not my problem. From beginning, no one believes my stories.
If you don't want to go to jail, there is only one option. Marriage. What do you say?
If a lady decides, then no one can do anything. She will not leave him. You better accept it.
Since the marriage is fixed, about the dowry transactions you can discuss at home. I think that is better.
Now I understood one thing. My bad time is still not over. It has just started.
I thought for that case also we have to invest money.
Bro, see who is standing there? She's really beautiful.
Just hold this ice cream.
I dropped it. Oh my god, the car is full of now ice creams. What is this, bro?
Listen, I've come to give you this. These are the legal actions they're going to take against you. Daddy does not know that I've taken a copy. Here. Nothing's in my hand now. It's you who have to decide what to do next.
Rose, I'll start this work soon. I found a way to get some money. Not for profit or anything. It is just to finish the work somehow.
In that case, you tell Daddy about this. You can avoid these issues.
No, Rose. Let the work start. Then I'll think.
Yeah, that's correct. Whatever he commits, he definitely do it. Any moment it will burst.
Please, I have to talk to him personally.
Okay, you both talk. After that, we will talk. Don't forget, I'll be waiting. Hey, turn this side. Not this side,
Joe,
that side.
I have a feeling that I am also a cause for all your problems. You know very well that I can't do more to help you. But Joe, when you reach great heights, I'll be the happiest person in the whole world.
So Rosso, this Frank is waiting for you.
Bro, see the same car like our house. The same color, same model, same number. This is good.
Hey, number is also the same. Huh?
What is this? You three people are roaming around like three idiots, huh?
Don't you have any work at home?
What?
When did you come? Why don't you inform us earlier?
What happened? What's wrong?
You must come. When we saw you suddenly, we felt so happy.
Yes, Mom.
I know the reason for your happiness very
Mommy
well.
is clever.
Hey, who is that girl?
Mom, she is Rose.
Oh, if she is Rose or she is Jasmine, she's good. Putting the dress of boys and attracting you.
Mummy, she's actually our chairman's daughter. Our Frank's girlfriend.
Just move.
Bruh, he went.
Oh my god. At least I can see beautiful grandchildren.
Mom,
Madam, don't make this place dirty.
What a pity.
I have been watching this guy from that time. Shouldn't stop the car here, shouldn't stop here, shouldn't spit here. Who is this guy?
Watchman.
Hey man, I have full rights to come to the place where my children live. Get lost from here.
Go, we will settle it later.
put hot water for fermentation.
Hey Franklin. Hey, what happened to your windmill business?
Mom, it's just started to spin. We will spin money later on.
Oh.
Huh?
Okay, I came to see one of my friend because she is not well. So I thought on the way I'll just drop in and see you people.
Mommy, you are not coming to flatter.
Oh, if I climb all the way up, my head will spin.
Good one.
Hey Franklin, don't postpone too much. Soon after our church festival, the next day we shall fix the engagement.
Mine?
No, my second marriage.
When-
What happened? So long that you're looking like that. Something you lost?
I was just looking at my dad.
My son, you have time off for all these things? Now I don't understand what's happening in your life. Then you are not even informing me? Bringing you up is not a loss, and I'm not thinking like that. Have you ever thought just like that?
Now you're simply getting sentimental, Dad. I just tried hard to get everything right. That's all.
Son, don't worry about your responsibilities. Business laws, everyone have to bear it. You don't have to take everything on your head.
All the problems will come to an end. You don't get tensed about it.
Papa has tension till you come up in your life. Then you can't take care of business and all. Let's try for a good job for you.
Papa, you're not going today? It's getting late.
You, I got you after a long time. I'm taking off today. Let's cook a good food and enjoy this day.
Oh my God. Why? I have some other job today.
What's the program?
I have to meet a person. Come on, hold this. Yes, go. Go. Come on. You'll get late.
Don't push me.
Come on, don't be lazy.
Hi.
Why she come here? I didn't call her here, okay?
Oh, Daddy, are you going for duty?
Yeah, just starting.
Yeah, then you can proceed. I just came to see him.
If you just want, take a leave.
For me, I don't take off.
Papa, are you really going?
Which is that room? I asked which is that room? Come.
I don't know what she's up to.
To come to your room and talk secrets, I'm not as cheap as you. What did you tell Shabna?
Why the hell is she laughing, huh? Hey.
Huh?
Why are you smiling? Did you think I'll marry her? You just watch. I'll make her draw funny pictures with her nose.
With what?
With her nose.
That's okay.
What do you think about me when I got into an agreement for marriage? Do you think it's because of your smart face? If you come with goggles, do you think girls will fall for you thinking you're a Hollywood star?
Not at all.
Even then, when I saw you, I liked you. Not to show my stubbornness to you. If you try to show too much just because of that, my stubbornness will increase.
What the... What is this?
Hi. Okay. Continue.
My mom has booked the hall and fixed the catering, and she's readily waiting. But the girl didn't know about it at all.
Who's that?
Rose. Yeah. If you think it will be a success,
What can I do for that?
don't ask me that. At the first sight itself, she has captured my heart, you know. If this happens, I will help you. If not, I will cut you into pieces and get our money what we have invested. What do you say? Can you do it?
I'll try.
Hey, Varki! Arrange the duplicate immediately, okay?
Hey, chairman.
Sorry, sir. The propeller and other things will be fitted in 1 week, sir.
Then you are saved. I hope it is very strong. Or will it fall again like before?
No, this will never fall, sir.
So you mean to say it will bend?
Daddy, don't talk like that, please.
Once a fault has happened, it can happen again also. So I have decided one thing. After the work is completed, 2 weeks I will wait. Then alone I will pass the bill. Are you not coming?
You go, Daddy, I'll come later.
Oh my God.
You don't take seriously what my dad said. If this works out, I will get all help from my dad's side, okay?
Take the car.
Huh? Frankly, see that?
This time, what are the precautions you have taken for this windmill? Please tell.
I'm about to fall.
We would like to have an interview with
I'm
you.
sorry, I have nothing to tell you people.
Rose?
Hey, Joe! Why don't you think positively? To motivate yourself, why don't you just give an interview, Joe?
I'll give it, right? Up. 1 minute. I need some water to drink.
Take this, sir.
Thanks.
Oh, today is so hot. You will get tanned. Hey, Joe, don't stand in the sun for long. You will get headache.
Who is she?
What is he doing there with two beautiful girls standing near him?
I will not allow you to do all this crap in the name of business. One more time, if I see you with her, I will definitely react. Mind it.
Do you know how that girl is related to him?
I'm not bothered whoever she is.
Okay, suppose if I guess, what happens?
You just get lost, man.
Huh? Get lost, man. What is that?
What happened, Daddy?
I don't say that the freedom I've given you is too much. After all, he is just your classmate. I'm not able to understand why are you wasting your valuable time for him.
He's not just my classmate, Dad. When you didn't have time for me, he was the one who was there for me.
These things our channel people will not understand, dear.
Oh, so you're bothered only about the channel, is it?
I'm not bothered about the channel. I'm worried about your future. I have to take care of that. Listening to your words, I have given an important project to him. And now I regret about that. If you still be close with him, I may have to cancel the tender at the earliest. I hope you have understood. Be careful.
Daddy, are you adamant?
Yes, to a certain extent.
So what if I'm also a little adamant, Dad?
Eh?
Don't try your tricks on me. Joe, I'll not be able to come today. I have a guest. Why don't you come here? We can talk everything here. Huh? You're coming to my house. So what?
Hello.
Hello. Is this your new car?
Yes.
Very nice.
Yes, it's new one.
We should always travel along with the flow.
What?
Come inside, come inside.
You go and give these drinks to them.
Why don't you go and give?
Did you see that I'm doing some other work here?
No change in that. She's my one and only daughter, Rose.
Hello.
Take.
Thanks. I was a senior in the college, so I know her. Rose, do you remember me?
Sorry, I don't get it.
My dear, he's Willie Kurian. You don't know him? I hope you know my old friend, Mr. Kurian. He's come here before. This is his son. He's the CEO of FCI.
It's not FCI, uncle. French Development Authority. FDA.
FDA. He's here for quite some time. I just knew it now.
We are funding for many projects, you know.
Both of us are going to join hands and we are going to do wonders. You just watch it.
Mummy, I smell something fishy here. Suddenly a guest comes, I have to serve him drinks. Like the way we see in movies? That way.
If you liked him, you tell us. We will think about it. This is the right time for your marriage.
Oh, yeah?
What do you think about him? He is a millionaire, you know that?
Money is not the biggest issue here.
Where is she? Now she'll be satisfied. I felt ashamed in front of him and she's the reason for that. Now she'll be happy.
What happened?
How many years I've struggled to get this image. Now everything is gone. Are you happy, my dear daughter? You are the one who forced me to allot that work to that fraud. Now what happened? My name alone is spoiled.
What's it, Daddy?
It's fallen. The windmill is again fallen. This time I'm not going to leave him. Actually, it is fallen over me and I will not leave him. Let me tell you, my group will not take any responsibility for this. I'm going to leave this project. Now it is his job to find out something.
Did they recognize the person?
No, we have not recognized him as yet. If we know in which hospital he have been admitted, we will get more details
People
about
who
it.
witnessed that incident says
this time he would have been finished by now.
on a person.
He's cheated our group. Sure, he's going to be
Immediately
unbossed.
he was rushed to
He
the
cannot
hospital
escape
for treatment.
anymore from this.
To know more about this news, we do have Mr. Chairman online to talk about this. Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, I'm able to listen.
Sir, this happens to be the second time that the windmill pillar has fallen down. Do you have the responsibility for the society people living there? What's your views on that? Can you comment on this, please? And who is responsible for it?
The entire responsibility for this is to the contractor. So any expenses or losses will be taken by the contractor alone in this. We are not responsible. It is his duty. We will see to it that all our people are benefited.
Move from the way. Oh my God. Oh. Yeah. Oh God.
Slowly.
Boss.
What?
Boss, we must go to the hospital immediately.
For what?
Government is going to give some money to those people who got injured in that incident. Really?
So, we are going to get some benefit out of our boss. Now you ask whatever the money you ask, you get.
You'll get a big hit from the police. My whole setup was very good. It was my fault to keep all this new generation with me.
Why are you talking like that, boss?
Hey fool.
What?
There are a lot of cases on me and police have not traced me yet. If I go and get admitted in the hospital, police will immediately arrest me.
Oh, I see.
They don't have the time to catch the murderers. Then how can they catch the small thief like you?
Shut up! We can't show the muscle to the police. They will break my other leg too. Hey, come here, man. Help me to sit in that easy chair.
Okay. I will.
Who will hold my other hand? You idiot.
Not idiot, sir. My name is Shashi.
Both are the same. If anybody knows that the windmill fell on my hip, you all be in trouble.
Slowly.
We didn't tell anyone that your hip is already broken. Then what is the problem? When the windmill is falling down, you try to stop with your muscles. So that you got some small injury. You can't walk properly for 6 months only. So we are asking small compensation, that's all.
That's good.
Yeah, that's right.
Really, boss?
In that case, Goondas like us should not go according to the law. not giving any value to the law, without getting any help from the police. We should threaten and get money.
How was that?
We will get it from the person who fixed it. When they see my assistants, they should shiver. When they hear you saying my name, their pants should get wet.
Oh. Yes.
Wait. When they give you the money as soon as you ask, don't take it.
Then?
You must threaten them and take it.
Okay, boss.
Boss? Are you sleeping?
No, I was just taking rest.
These are my friends. These guys stuck in a big case. Till the case gets solved, these guys will be here.
What is that case?
What is the case?
Actually, it is just a molestation case. He with two ladies.
From where?
It was in the flat. Boss, nowadays everything happens in the flat only.
Then come with me.
Just stay there. When you're free, you should come here. I want to hear it in detail.
Hey, yeah, come in. How does this all look like? You see this? This picture has received a lot of likes in the Facebook. 12,516 likes. Now why do you want a long leave for? I promise that I'll find out your son. Since this had become a big issue, he moved away from it. That's it. That's good for us. Otherwise, we will have to put him behind bars.
Sir, my son is a criminal now.
Oh my God.
Who has cheated the government and society. I'm father of that kind of person and I cannot work like that.
Hey, who said that your son is a culprit? By seeing all the drama that has happened? You see, the media people, they don't want to know whether he is innocent or not. In our country, people will always want to know just cooked up stories alone. When they make money by hurting us, we should not keep quiet at all. We should fight with full confidence. Your son was not caught. Someone betrayed him.
So what he's saying?
Yes, I have some doubts. But without getting a clear evidence, how can I tell it to others? But now I am forced to tell you.
What, sir?
Did you see this picture? During night when the tower fell down, I was present with this costume. I was secretly hiding there to catch the drug sellers. That was my main idea.
Hey man. Hey, wake up. Where's that thing?
Hey, what was the sound that I heard now?
That windmill suddenly fell.
Oh.
And they were taking the people who were got injured.
Okay, thank you. There was no news of anyone getting admitted in the hospital. There was no news of people who carried him to the hospital. Frankly speaking, they were afraid that somehow somebody would find out them. Got it? Here only I have a doubt that someone has purposely pre-planned it. If your son is innocent, don't we have the responsibility to save him? Tell me, Loco.
Excuse me, boss.
What? Do you want to know who put the propeller shaft on your body? It's in the paper. You just read it. Come on, take a look.
Dude, they already escaped.
Without wasting the time, go and catch him.
Yeah,
go.
Come on.
You two.
Let's go and find him. Come on.
Lift me up.
Come on. Come on, boss.
Boss, I have fallen down.
Hey, run fast.
Boss, can you limp faster, boss?
Hey, stop there. Stop. Get.
Hey, come on, start the vehicle. We are also
Go,
coming.
come fast.
Hey, don't leave me and go.
Hey, come here. I think it's him. This was the same person who escaped from me. Shall we go? Yes.
Oh God, my bad.
Whatever you want to tell, you should not have come to this house. I don't have any time to listen to your stories. Get lost. Anything else, you can come to my office.
What I have to say is totally personal. Just because you all helped me, you've had to go through troubles. Got a bad name too. I came here to apologize for that. You and Rose should forgive me. It was not deliberate. I never had anything bad in mind. Just that my time is not right, all this happened. Apologies.
Everybody has ruined this guy's life. Now you're happy, no?
May I come in, sir?
Yes, come in.
Come.
Okay. Sure. Why not?
Come.
I will manage it. I'll call you later, okay? Okay, bye. Thank you. Hi, Joe. How are you?
Fine.
Suddenly you saw me, you got shocked, right? Salome told me everything about you, including your first meeting. I didn't tell that to Salome that I already know you. Why? Because for this suspense. Jomon and Chairman's daughter Rose, they both were my juniors in my college. Jomon, do you remember me?
I don't remember, sir.
On the college day, you acted as a movie character, right?
Huh?
I never forget that day. While I'm saying that performance, I thought you'd become a movie star.
That was just for fun in the college, sir.
Okay, let's come to the point. What is the project? What is your idea, Jomon? Hey, take your seat.
No thanks.
Please be seated, man.
No. Actually, I had prepared a video. It would be nice if I could play it here now.
Oh, nice. Let's go to the conference room. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
That's right. Why should we talk about a project which has already failed twice? That will be only a waste of... I'm sorry. I will talk to you later.
Is everything ready?
Are you ready? Jomon, you have only 15 minutes. Your time starts now.
What happened?
I want to start the video, but due to tension, I can't see anything properly.
If you can't see here, remember, your life will be always in dark. Just do it.
Good evening to all. Sorry, I have a small request. For some time, can you please switch off your mobile phones? Please.
Yes, please.
Mobile phones have become something that we can't keep down even for a minute. It's influencing us so much, isn't it? about the immense possibility of this project. What conviction I had, I wanted to transfer it to you two. That was my idea. If I have succeeded in it, the benefit is not for me. It's for the next generation. Thank you.
Great.
My daughter has been complaining that we all ignored him. I have signed the copy. I hope my daughter should be very happy now.
Thank you, Dad.
Not here, but to him.
Thank you.
It's my pleasure.
So, German is starting the project again.
This project will be a big success for him. The entire department is with your son.
Our place, our country.
What's happening?
They are all welcoming you. They are very excited, you know.
Why is this poison here?
I am fed up with these police people. They are not allowing us to strike at all. I cannot forget the last strike even now. Should we continue?
Not required, right? We will go to next place now, okay?
Hey, don't hide there.
Yes, get lost from here. This public property belongs to us also, you know.
We have undergone great difficulty in
Don't
this.
talk about difficulties to us. It is already
Hey,
fallen
what is
to us.
happening? What is
Who knows
happening
what
here?
we'll have now?
All the arrangements have been completed. Now this location is mine. Under me.
Don't fall asleep. Remember, tomorrow is inauguration. Who's he? Hey, what happened to him?
What happened?
Why are you
Come
sitting on
fast,
that?
come fast.
Go and see.
Let's go and see.
Where are
Come,
you?
did you
What's
see that?
happening there?
Oh my God.
Come soon.
Why are you sitting there?
Something seriously
Why are you sitting there?
What the meaning?
Hey,
See, capture it.
Move that side.
Send it back.
I am reaching now. Do you know the idiots? Those who are doing the night patrolling? Yes, we have suspended those people. Yes, now we can start.
Stop.
Hey, how to capture it? Don't leave it.
Move that side.
Very important.
Let's
hurry up and take him
before the media can catch them.
I'll take a photo.
Oh my God, please give me strength to digest this problem too.
Police commissioner has just arrived,
Hey, come on, go back. Go back.
but
Go back.
people are
Don't
very
make a scene here.
restless.
Come on, go back. Hey, I'm asking you to go back. Please, listen.
Move that side.
Yeah, move to the right. Move to the right.
All are eagerly waiting. That person is not
Sir, we
coming
have
down
tried our
at
level
all.
best. But he is not telling his
He
demands,
is
sir.
adamant.
Sir, he was here
Police are
before,
trying
but
to
he was
bring him
against
down.
this. But no one thought of it seriously.
Please don't allow him to die. I may have to resign.
Oh my goodness, did you inform the fire force?
Yes, sir. He will reach immediately.
Give me that.
I think very soon
What
they are
is your
going to
demand?
bring him
Please
down
tell
from
us.
there.
We can even put a stop to this project. We can even sit across the table and sort it out. It's a simple thing. Suicide is not the last option for your demand. Don't be foolish.
Sir, whatever happens, we have to go ahead with this project. I think he must have fiddled with the earlier project.
We are ready even for a compromise. Idiot.
Everyone are talking at you, right?
Then why can't you come down?
I want to come down, sir. My head is spinning, so I cannot see properly.
You just come down.
Didn't you bring power ladder? Fire force has to be modernized.
Yes, the fire force has already come. They have put the ladder over there, and the gentleman who was on
You
top
don't worry.
is coming
Just
down
hold
now.
my hand.
Police are going to arrest him as soon as he comes down. He has almost reached the ground, and police are just waiting to take him. We are yet to know the motive behind this because he has been against this project for quite a long time. Yes, the police have already
Independence
caught
Day
him.
wishes to everybody.
They are going to take him for investigation. Once they release it to press, we will come with more information.
Hold me properly.
Nicely get from
What he was up to?
Come on, let's go.
Sir, I want to take a selfie from there.
Keep him there. Keep him there. Put him there. Give him to me. What is your motive behind this, idiot? You are the one who tilted it before,
Sir, can
right?
you see my body? How can I do that? Sir!
I'll punch you, take the milk out of your body, idiot.
Sir, I have been a natural lover for so many years. In this place, I have no job. In my house, there is no job at all. Children have been asking my photograph to put in the Facebook, sir. Today, so many people would have taken my photograph. I only wondered that. Other than I didn't have any idea, sir.
Bloody fool. This idiot is ready to do any foolish things to shine in front of others.
Huh?
Hey, Luco. Our windmill should be switched on the right time.
I don't have anything special to tell you. But whoever has made fun of me and insulted me, I have to tell you something. Without even spending a single rupee, our group have reopened this project. Do you know that? Unless we are satisfied the project will be a huge success, we don't allot money at all. That is the reason why we have awarded one more inauguration. That's all for the moment. Thank you.
Manian, it's not enough if we depend completely on police. Especially in the night, we have to keep an eye.
That I will take care, bro. I will sleep on the top of that. I may have some company there. Maybe I have to search for that.
Why are you so worried? Everything went on fine.
As long as the enemy is hidden, I can't sleep in peace, Rose.
You don't have to think about that person anymore. He will not come.
What are you saying, Rose?
I didn't want your name to be spoiled, so I kept myself away from you. I don't know whether you noticed it, but something good had happened. The person who tried to destroy your project, I found out. It was the same person who tried to help you.
Why? Is it looking funny?
Yes, sort of. You shouldn't have come in this getup. And one more thing. Somebody has written this for me. She is the messenger. She is not telling who the person is. I believe I should reply. If I knew the person, I would have given it.
Who's that guy? Tell me, who gave you this? Who's that guy?
I'm an introvert person. That day I was not able to tolerate that. Because of that embarrassing moment, I never back to college. After some years, when I got a good job, I was back to the same city. I really like to marry Rose. But the remembrance of my bad days, Joe, you always with her. Like a speed breaker for me. That relationship was provoking me and it leads to misunderstanding.
Sir, you give me that money. Sir, you leave it to me. I will collapse it.
Is it safe, right?
Then what? It is very simple for me.
Now I'm feeling guilty for that. When I came to know about your relationship, and after supporting the project also, I was still very upset. That time I don't have any guts to tell you about that. So I told everything to Rose. I'm so sorry, Jomon.
This was the frankness that made me to accept Willy's proposal at last. I was worried about our freedom and friendship will be a barrier for my marriage. Now that's over. I've decided to get married to Willie.
The person who stabbed me in the back, to praise and love him the moment I recognize him. Why did you do this, man? Huh? Anyway, thank you, sir.
Huh?
You know what this experience gave me in life? The confidence to do any job and live here properly. That belief. Isn't that everything, sir?
Thank you, Joe. Don't call me sir, okay?
Even after I did all those atrocities to you, you could forgive me, no? You will be a great friend.
Don't think that I don't know that somebody else is in your life, okay? Jomon will reach in great heights. He will fly like a kite. I believe the cord of the kite will be in your hands, isn't it?
Now your tensions are over, isn't it? Don't worry at all. In a week's time, I will find out the real culprit. Be brave, man. My city is a clean city, okay?
Whatever happens is all for good.